Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Yes, you can connect two TVs together without HDMI by using alternative cables such as composite, RCA, component, or S-video, depending on your TV's input options. For a wireless solution, consider using a wireless HDMI kit. It works by sending the AV signal from one TV to another without the need for cables. Ensure both TVs support the chosen method. For non-HDMI connections, audio may need to be connected separately through an RCA or similar audio cable, providing a straightforward setup without compromising on audio-visual quality.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.